निमन्त्रणा सबैजनालाई छ। हाम्रो मिडियालाई पनि आजदेखि नै हामी भनिराख्छौँ, जुन दिन तपाईँको भ्याए भने त्यो दिन डेफिनेटली आउनुहोस्। फर द 6th हाम्रो हल विल बी लार्ज इनफ टु अकोमोडेट लट मोर पिपल। अनि पछिको दिन जति छन् हाम्रो सेक्रेटेरिएट को राजकुमारजी यही हुनुहुन्छ, प्लिज आफ्नो नाम लेखाइदिनुहोस् एन्ड वी विल डेफिनेटली इन्भाइट यू। यसमा हाम्रो एक्चुअली के छ भने द्याट फर द प्यानल सेसन्स विल बी एड्रेसिङ importance of automobile sector, होइन? अनि automobile sector and the history of it, how we are all related to automobile. We will have a program on the workforce enhancement. We will have a program on innovation. So every day तपाईँले एउटा केही नयाँ त्यहाँ आएर सिक्नु पाउनुहुन्छ, आफ्नो धारणा राख्नु पाउनुहुन्छ. It is all going to be interactive programs. So as we move forward, I encourage all the attendees, partners and industry leaders to actively engage, network and collaborate through the Expo. Together we can accelerate Nepal's journey towards a sustainable, innovative and inclusive mobility future. Finally, I would also like to give my deepest gratitude to the entire organizing committee who have been working tirelessly at this Expo, and the very, very hardworking and dedicated secretariat. Some of them are here and some are back in the office. And we would like to thank all of you very much, and with all your commitment and with all your hard work, we are going to make this a very big success. अनि तपाईहरुको यहाँ अटेन्डेन्स देखेर हामीलाई एकदम खुसी लागिरहेछ, and we are going to be looking forward to welcoming you on the 6th to the 10th of August every day. And also हाम्रो त्यहाँ पनि अर्को surprise items के हुन्छ भने we are going to have prominent personalities दिनदिनै. So आएर त्यसको हाम्रो न्यूज फलो गर्नुस्, and we will be revealing who will be attending, prominent personalities who will be attending the show as showstoppers every day. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you all at the Nepal Mobility Expo. लाई यहाँ हेरेर मलाई एकदमै खुसी लागिरहेछ, अनि यहीँबाट हामीलाई थाहा हुन्छ हाम्रो नाइमा मोबिलिटी एक्सपोको कति चासो छ अनि कति एक्साइटमेन्ट छ. थ्याङ्क यू फर बिङ हियर. थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच. To start off with, I would like to sincerely thank our sponsors and partners, Everest Bank and National Insurance, who are here with us today. Khalti by IME, Pepsi, Encel, Pathao Nepal, Whirlink Communications and Solti Hotel for their trust in us and also showing that they are as excited to be a part of this auto show as we are. साथै हाम्रो other partners are Himalayan Java, Frontline Hospital, HIPCO, Vatsal Impacts, and thank you for your generous support and collaboration, which has been absolutely vital in making this program a success and for all our preparations. I would also like to extend a very special thanks to all of you, all the journalists, all the media, for being here today, and for those who are covering every aspect of this expo on a very daily basis. आजकल मेरो कम से कम दिनमा 3-4 वटा इन्टरभ्यू हुन्छन्, because there is so much excitement about this show. I would like to thank you also for your role in our story and insights with the public, which is going to be very, very interested through your stories. NAIMA Nepal Mobility Expo stands to be the largest expo in Nepal with 50 brands, 35 new launches, and we are very, very excited to showcase all the 50 brands and make it a very, very exciting program for all of us in a very bold step forward in driving innovation, sustainable development and modernization in Nepal's mobility ecosystem. To ensure visitors feel very comfortable and happy and they enjoy this festival of automobile, we have arranged a lot of first time ever, first and very, very, very new features. यसमा तपाईले त्यहाँ धेरै जसो तपाईको फेभरेट कफी शप्स र फूड स्टल्स पाउनुहुन्छ, and we will have a very well equipped medical center. एउटा ambulance will be always on standby. with 100% thought to even towards fire safety. So we have a fire safety partner who will be able to respond to all the emergency in case if there is anything required will be addressed right there and then. And एउटा हाम्रो सधैँदेखि एउटा प्रब्लम के हुन्छ भने पार्किङ कहाँ गर्ने पार्किङको एउटा ठुलो समस्यालाई यसपालि हामीले कसरी उसको समाधान खोजेछ we have taken the police Nepal Police Club for Blue Pavilion building for the parking for more than 250 cars अनि त्यसबाहेक पनि तपाईँको अलिकति गाडी टाढा भयो भने we have a special tie-up with Pathao who will be giving you discounted rates for coming to and fro to the Vikruti Mandap and back. हाम्रो यसपालिको इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हामीले कसरी बिल्ड गरेछ द्याट हाम्रो टेन्ट्समा पनि नभए भने धेरै जस्तो हामी भित्र पस्दा बाहिर आउँदा भिजिरहेको हुन्छौँ होइन बिकज यो पानीको बेला भएकोले we have made the whole arrangement rain resistant, disability friendly, and at the same time you will enjoy coming there and spending time there. अनि या हाम्रो अर्को पनि फिचर्स के छ भने we have a special media room which will be specially dedicated to media to come and make your stories, make your reels and whatever you need to do with special Wi-Fi connectivity for that section. At NIMA, we are very proud to speak with a unified voice representing the entire mobility sector for importers, manufacturers, and to the service providers and innovators during this show. I'm also very proud to share with you one thing which is a new feature which is something which I'm disclosing for the first time today. 5% of the ticket revenue from this expo will be dedicated to a very important social cause, which is supporting research and fellowship programs in the partnership with the Ministry of Education and CTEVT. This initiative, of course, reflects that when NIMA says that we stand on 5 pillars, it is not just about selling cars, it is also about workforce enhancement. It is also at the same time about how to enrich this country and its manpower. Another highlight for this expo is the parallel learning sessions. So, हाम्रो 6 तारिक 21 गतेदेखि 25 गतेसम्म रोज एउटा parallel session हुन्छ जहाँ where we will have a topic जो हामीले mobility related topic जहाँ हामी त्यसलाई cover गर्छौँ. We have very prominent national and international personalities who are going to be our moderators. Isma, just to name a few, we have Mr. Anil Keshari Shah, Dr. Rohit Beluja from the Institute of Road Traffic Education in India, and also Haribansh Acharya ji, who is going to be part of the learning sessions. So